Android user, this is a great software. Shout out to Jose. He is an absolute legend. Really good guy. We saw him again at the Photo Booth Expo, and they've made a lot of advancements on the software. So how do you set up an event? Let's run through a 361 real quick. We are on just a tutorial kind of demo account here, so we may not have all the features. We're going to run through it real quick. So when you log in, you're basically going to have my events. We've created one here. You're going to create an event. Once you've created the event, it's going to ask you what kind of booth do you want. Is this a sharing station? Is it the portrait? Is it the landscape? So we're going to go over portrait 360. I'm going to hit save. Then it's going to ask you what countdown do you want. So generally I say 5 seconds. Obviously want to give you 360 time to start moving. So the way I do it is I set it to 5 seconds, and then as soon as I've hit start on the remote, I basically obviously have hit start on the actual phone or device what you've got recording with FunEvent, and that's how I'll run it. So now it's going to ask us which features of the FunEvent do you want to use. Are you doing photos or scripts, or are you doing 360? So we're going to do a 360 for the demo of this. And now it's going to ask you what speed effects you want on it. Do you want an overlay? Do you want an MP3? Do you want an outro video? So for the benefits of this, I'm just going to put an overlay on. If you don't know what the overlay sizes are, you can click this little eye here and it will tell you. FunEvents is quite good in that way. So basically you'll know. We'll go ahead and create a exact template as well with straight on Canva. So I'm just going to get an MP3 here as well, but you know what, we're going to do everything from scratch. So we're going to, well, for now we'll pick one from the library. Right, we'll go with that. So the song there, so we've got the song there. We've just gone with an example one from here, just from the sample database. The video overlay, so it tells you size there. So for portrait videos, it is 720 transparent file by 1280 pixels. Let's go to camera and do that then. So the width is 720, the height is 1280. Yeah, but lovely, looks right. Okay, so let's just say we want a black border on it. We'll just go over black border. I'm gonna just move these down. In fact, I may pick a slightly easier border. So say gold border. So we've got a gold border. We've got that in now. We're gonna just tweak that a bit. There we go. And stretch and above. There we go. Okay, so let's just say like this is the border we want to use. We'll add a name. Yeah, so okay, I'm just using that, and then remember it's got to be transparent as well. So we're gonna hit share, download, transparent, selected. Okay, so we've got that. It's a PNG, so it's showing it. I'm gonna upload the overlay, and the overlay is showing there. The recording time, so this is how long it's going to record. So it says we recommend 4 to 6 seconds recording, so we'll do 6. Because obviously you're going to have your boomerang on, and again it tells you everything here. These speed rampings are basically your presets of speed, so obviously how many seconds is going to do what. Generally you can play with that for the setting, so you can choose it. They are very good on here. If you want an outro video as well, image, you can have that, or an intro video image, so we're not going to select it for this. This is what it's going to say here when you get your text. So I'm going to say, thanks for booking with True Love. I'm just using True Love as an example here. Thanks for booking with True Love. Please find your 360 video attached. Same for this, same for email. You can send from your own email. Just put your email in there and change it. Event gallery, you want that turned on. So basically on your second tablet, this is the URL you're going to copy. So you're going to copy this onto your tablet, this address, and this will be where all the 360 videos will be sent to and become your sharing station. And then you've got next, screensaver. So if you want your logo there, you can put your logo on it. These are data capture options, and save and exit, and it's that easy.